Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on wherever you are in the world. So today I'm just vlogging randomly because I thought I should sell my old gadgets. That way when we move in the future or in the near future, then I don't have to worry about outdated gadgets such as my old GoPro Hero 6. So here's some of the accessories. So this one is my luggage for gadgets and all. This is my DSLR camera, which is something I will never sell because I bought this right after I received my first salary. So now, although this one is also old, but no, I'm not gonna sell it. Okay, so here are the items included in my previous purchase. So there's the manual, the sling, the case, the bag, the floater, charger, the battery, and a selfie stick, something like that, and a memory card. So I'm selling this at probably around 15,000 pesos. Last price would be 10,000 pesos. Originally this was bought at 30,000 pesos. So hard to sell this, but I have to because I'm gonna buy a new one which has a dual screen. This one isn't a dual screen, so you don't see yourself here when you focus the GoPro camera to your face, so only this part can see what's in front. So I'm buying a different one, a newer one, which can see both. But of course you can only use one camera at a time. So if you're gonna do a selfie video, you can do that, but you can't do it together. So one at a time. Okay, so let's post this online and keep the money coming.